Hey, good morning, fellow crypto traders. All right, we're looking at BAT today. In the video I posted about a week and a half ago, I had a projection of first target was $1, second target was around $1.20, and we are on our way. You can see our candle has gone vertical today. We went from 69 cents all the way up to current price of 82 cents. Broke through that 200-day moving average. I don't know if we're going to stay above that. We'll find out by the end of the day, but that's a very good price action that we see here. So when I made the prediction that we were going to break out of this triangle, we were right around 69 cents where we started the day off today. Or at least that's where I entered. And remember, I said when you break out of these triangles, we do like to come back down and kiss the top of the triangle before final takeoff. And sometimes the price action goes like this, where we'll go up, maybe we'll hit that 200-day and come back down. I was expecting something more like that, to be honest, but it really doesn't matter because I'm in this trade till we hit our targets. Instead, what we did, let me delete that, is we exited this triangle and we really didn't do much of anything. We just went straight sideways until we hit our heads on that 50-day and then dropped like a rock. And then from there, we kissed the top of that triangle. See that down there? Let me circle that. We kissed the top of the triangle, and then now it's been rocket ships all the way since yesterday. And we are well on our way to our projected target prices. So I just wanted to update you real quick. First of all, to congratulate you if you're in this trade. Second of all, to suggest, not advise, just to let you know what I'm going to do on this trade and how I'm going to play this. All right. So first target was $1. Second big target was $1.20. In fact, I think, if I'm being honest with you, let me auto zoom this. I think we could probably break through this resistance at some point in the future and then use this as support and go higher. If you want to hold, you'll be holding for, a couple months in that case. I mean, that's up to you. It depends on how good you are at technical analysis. Personally, I like to trade in and out of this stuff at the different levels. And so even though I know that's definitely a probability, or a possibility, I should say, not a probability, I probably am going to be taking money off of the top, and maybe I'll re-enter at a lower price if we do that. So the way that I trade this stuff is once we hit these different levels, take money off the top, look for a re-entry if I want to put some back in, and then take some money off the top again, look for a re-entry at the bottom of this, and then I would hold that to resistance at this point. That is resistance at this point, although, like I said, at some point in the future, I do believe that is going to become support once again. This is a major trend line. I drew this all the way from March of 2020. Get my crosshairs out, slide this over, and show you where that came from all the way back here. It's doing this auto zoom thing. But anyways, this was in a big drop we experienced in March of 20. That was coronavirus, of course. You're all aware of that. That was the big news. Lockdowns came, all the show that comes with it, my opinion, sorry. And then we hit our heads on that over here, August, and it has since then become a big level of either support or resistance, depending on what side it's on. And that is confirmed, folks. You can confirm these trend lines are significant and that the market is respecting them by looking at the big moves that occur once we break through resistance. As indicated here, this candle went up huge, or once we break down through resistance. Look at this. We came all the way down from $1.05 all the way down to 55 cents in a matter of days. That confirms that this level is definitely something that we should respect. Therefore, once you hit your heads on that level, I don't know when it's going to be, a week, two, you should be looking to take money off the top, capitalize on those profits, and let's see if I can get a good, all right, capitalize on those profits and don't be afraid to take those profits. So with that being said, what are we looking at? I mean, I'm still 100% in. Let me draw some trend lines here. This might be a little area of resistance. We might hit this today, right around 89 cents. If you want, you could take, I don't know how you split it up. You might split it up in tens, 10%. Maybe you split it up in fours. You might take 25%. Maybe you split it up in fives. You might take 20% off, but you'll probably look to take a little bit off the top here once we hit that 89 cents level. Another area is our previous recent high, not all-time high, but recent high, and that would be right around 98 cents. And then we have a level at $1.02. So these are all levels. Of course, we could just break straight through, and depending upon your risk tolerance, you might hold. I'm not sure. That's the way you want to trade it. But definitely, once we get up here and hit our heads on this support, I will be taking a lot, if not all, my money off the top, and I will look to re-enter. This will become support at $1.02. I'll look to re-enter down there and then watch and see what we do from there. Again, in the future, this is going to become support. This trend line here is going to become our support, but not right away. I don't see us breaking right through that at all. That's too big of a resistance. So, folks, congratulations. If you're in this trade, take your profits and play this smart and you'll do well. All right, thanks for watching. Give me a like, a thumbs up, and comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you. Have a good day.